Deidre Davis, Chief Marketing Officer, MSU Federal Credit Union, joining us in studio again today. Deidre, a strong credit score and managing your credit well are really important for getting a better loan rate, which is increasingly seems to be on the rise lately, and for saving money and boosting your overall financial health. You're going to tell us ways that we can do that.
Yes, so the first thing you want to do is be aware of your credit history. And so you can do that by pulling a credit report. And you can get your credit report for free at annualcreditreport.com. And what we recommend is that you get that credit report one time every 4 months from each of the 3 credit bureaus. So that way you're staying right on top of your credit. And right now, because of tied in with a COVID policy, you can actually get your credit report for free on a weekly basis, but that's not probably going to be the fact long term. So get it at least every 4 months, take a look at it and look for any discrepancies, but know what's going on that credit report. And the biggest factor is paying your bills on time. So that's what impacts it the most. So be sure to pay your bills on time.
What other factors should we take into consideration when we're trying to improve our credit score?
Yeah, so the next biggest factor is credit utilization. And so what that means is all of the credit you have available to you, use no more than 30% of that. And again, pay your bills on time, but that credit utilization is the second largest factor. And then, of course, if you have anything you're delinquent on, bring those up to be current.
And if you're maybe having trouble paying your bills, you really should reach out to the people that you owe the money to, right?
Yes, that's such a great point that you bring up, because being proactive is so much better than where it gets to
hide.
Right, exactly. You can't pay it, and now people are sending notices and so forth. So if you see that it's going to be a difficult season ahead, give them a call, stop in, meet with them, do what you can to set up a payment plan, because they're going to want to work with you.
Yeah. And how can MSU-FCU help?
Well, we offer a lot of really great resources, and one of those is financial education based on so many different topics. But in this specific topic, we're talking about what credit scores are, how to improve them, things that we've been talking about. But going more in depth, both virtually and in person, we offer those sessions.
Do you recommend locking your credit score, credit report when you're not checking on it?
It is a really good idea to do that, because it does prevent others from accessing that and then using that to maybe apply for credit and so forth. And you're notified if someone would apply for credit. It doesn't protect you from everything, because sometimes a fraudster could apply for credit and then they could get that without them going up for credit.
Interesting. MSUFCU.org, 13 local branches. Thank you, Deidre.